Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make crème brûlée with vanilla extract. First, you will need 6 large egg yolks, 2 cups of heavy cream, and 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract and a pinch of salt to enhance the flavors. Also, have 6 4-ounce ramekins ready, along with a shallow baking dish for your water bath. Now, let's create that silky smooth custard. Begin by gently warming your heavy cream with half of the granulated sugar in a saucepan until it just simmers. In a separate bowl, whisk the egg yolks with the remaining sugar and the vanilla extract until the mixture becomes light and creamy. Then, slowly pour the warm cream into the egg yolk mixture, whisking constantly to temper the eggs and prevent them from scrambling. It's time to bake your delicious custards. Carefully pour the custard mixture into your 6 4-ounce ramekins, filling each about 3/4 full. Place these ramekins into a larger, shallow baking dish, and then add hot water to the dish, creating a water bath that reaches about halfway up the sides of the ramekins. Bake at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 to 40 minutes. Afterward, chill them for at least 4 hours. The final, most exciting step is creating that iconic caramelized top. Sprinkle 1 to 2 teaspoons of granulated sugar evenly over the surface of each chilled custard. Then, use a kitchen torch to caramelize the sugar until it turns a beautiful golden brown and forms a crisp, glassy crust. If you don't have a torch, you can carefully broil them for 1 to 2 minutes. Serve immediately to savor the delightful contrast.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.